If you are looking for a place to hang out in this weekend, head out to Disney Springs where you can eat, shop, and play. There's so much to do here. We are meeting our kids for dinner at Splitsville. The food was delicious. And to end the night, we're off to see the drone show.
Watch that crossfire, boys! Watch it, you're gonna bomb your tail! I have you now.
Come on, drive. Hey.
And beyond!
To the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you'll go. With dreams that soar.
We said our see you laters to our kids and ended the evening. Disney Springs will be back real soon.